Hello everyone from Spring Branch, Texas. Oh my God, it's been so hot out here. Just hot, hot, hot. Everything's so dry, including the grass. Look. So dry. And we have a deck here, but we don't have an overhang, you know. So we got to have an overhang put on so we can sit out on the deck during the daytime because it's so hot. So right now, you know, money's tough and all that, and it's tight. So what I've been doing, I think I'm going to have to do it myself because that's going to be the cheapest way. So I've been saving up my popsicle sticks to make an overhang, you know, and hopefully with that, you know, I can have something to cover us, you know, because it's just too hot, too hot, too hot, baby. Gonna run for shelter, gonna run for shade. It's too hot, too hot, too hot, baby.